lovely people, my name is Taylor and this channel is called Taylor Makes. Today we're going to be learning how to make some cute, adorable pastel Pop-Tart earrings with some local items you can either get from Walmart, Dollar Tree, or Hobby Lobby. Alright, let's get started! So here are all the items that's going to be included in the project, but I will have that linked in the description. So we're going to start off with the toaster brown part of the Pop-Tart, and we're going to have that cut around in some felt. Make sure to have the felt double so that you'll get two, and we're going to do this 2 times so we can have 2 identical Pop-Tarts. Make it nice and clean here. We have 2 toasters, that's 4 squares in total, and now we're going to go ahead and make the icing, and we're going to have 2 pieces of fabric together to make 2 identical frostings here. Alright, so now for the fun part. We're going to take 1 frosting and add it on one of the toasters, which is going to be for 1 Pop-Tart. We're just gonna go and make some single stitches here. You see how I can mess up? That happens, guys. Nothing's pretty. And we're gonna sew and sew and sew because we're trying to make some cute earrings and we can't afford other types of earrings, so we're gonna make it ourselves. Alrighty, so we're done with that. And did I say that was a fun part? No, this is the fun part. We're gonna add those yummy sprinkles. You can choose any colors that you wanted, but I kept with the same patterns as the ones, those big large ones you see above there. So we're just gonna have fun and add as many colors as we want. This, ladies and gentlemen, is reality. We're almost done, y'all. We're almost done. So now we're just gonna sew the sides and the bottom together and leave the top open so that we can add the fluffy stuff and we can add the chain for the earrings. Alright, so now the fluffy stuff has been added in. We're going to make a couple single stitches just so we can have a center point to add the chain so that the earrings can have a centered chain, if that makes sense. Here's the chain. So I just want you guys to watch closely. We're going to pinch it, right? And we're going to put it right on in there and make sure that you squeeze it so that when you sew it, we're going to sew under the loop, if that makes sense. But I just want you to watch me, okay? See, it goes right under it. Keep going. Sometimes the hook of the earring may get in the way, but just go real slow. It's a treacherous journey, I know. It's difficult, but you got this, girl. Remember, we're trying to look cute on a budget. And it's hard out here. You see, I don't even know where this idea came from for these earrings, but they came out right and I'm so happy. So I just want to show you guys this, but please keep going with the sewing, please. Sorry about that, I was being really dramatic. Alright, so we're gonna add the nice little knot on there, snip it a little, make it a little clean. Also make sure to pull, we don't want that Pop-Tart falling out in public, do we? And we are good to go, ladies and gents. Ready to rock it out with your amazing, adorable Pop-Tart earring. Please let me know in the comments how everything goes, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.